Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for the latest financial insights and market analysis. Today we're asking the big question: is the bull market at risk of tumbling? Let's dive in. First of all, today was another inside day. Today is the fifth day that we SPX was range bound. So tomorrow, our expected move will be around plus minus 42. And why is the expected move so wide? It's because tomorrow is PCE, and as you know, Microsoft and Meta reported after hours, and both companies actually disappoint with their earnings and guidance. So we will tackle both of them. Here, let's start first with Microsoft. So right now, after hours, it dropped uh, almost 4%. So with Microsoft, their recent earnings report fell short of expectations, as well as their future guidance. Despite strong fundamentals, the market wasn't impressed, and the stock took a hit. Now let's check Meta. So after hours, it dropped almost 3%. Similar story with Microsoft. They had underwhelming earnings and guidance that didn't inspire confidence, and investors were concerned about Meta's long-term growth. Now let's talk about the 10-year yield, which is rising. With the 10-year yield climbing, it's becoming more attractive for investors to park their money in safer assets, which could draw capital away from stocks, particularly growth stocks like tech. And then we have the US dollar, which has been gaining strength. A stronger dollar usually pressures multinational companies by making exports more expensive and reducing overseas profits. This could spell trouble for many large cap stocks that generate revenue internationally. But the real wild card here, guess what? Tomorrow, it's the PCE data. And it will be released 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which will be before the market opens. So the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, also known as PCE, is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, and the next report could shift market sentiment significantly. If inflation comes in higher than expected, the Fed might stay more aggressive with interest rate hikes, which could further increase Treasury yields and strengthen the dollar. Two forces that could drag the market down. So, what's next? Could we see the bull market fade, or is this just a temporary pullback? A lot depends on how the PCE data impacts the Fed's strategy and how investors react to higher yields and a strong dollar. Be sure to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think that the market will keep pushing higher, or are we in for a correction? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.